All right, let's get back to trade, which we, of course, mentioned a few moments ago. U.S. officials are meeting their Chinese counterparts. That's happening right now in London. And those are high-level trade talks. Megan Cassella joins us. She has the latest for us. Good morning, Megan.
Hey, David, good morning. I think we can pull up for you here a live look at the location in London where these two delegations are meeting. On the U.S. side, that's Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, and the U.S. Trade Rep Jamieson Greer, all over there meeting with the Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng, leading negotiations on their side. Now, unlike Geneva, we are not really expecting any major breakthroughs here, and that's simply because there isn't low-hanging fruit the way there was back then. These tariffs have already been agreed to be lowered. What today and this week seems to be about is more about putting things in writing that both sides seem to have thought that they agreed to back in Geneva. So on the U.S. side, they really want to see things moving on the rare earths. On the Chinese side, they want to see the U.S. Lessening up on their semiconductor export controls. That's really the focus here. Here's Kevin Hassett laying out his expectations for today on Squawk Box earlier this morning.
Our expectation is that after the handshake, then immediately after the handshake, any export controls from the U.S. will be eased and the rare earths will be released in volume, and then we can go back to negotiating smaller matters.
So having to figure out these issues, these big issues, I should say, before they move on to other things. That could be most of what we get from this London round of talks. Now, one indication of how they go could simply be how long these talks last. Hassett described what he's expecting as a short meeting with a strong handshake. So maybe we get some more details later today. I will say for the Chinese side, they did announce that their lead negotiator will be in the U.K. through the 13th. So maybe that's for other meetings, but that could give him some time to stick around in case these meetings do need to be extended further. Guys.
Megan, thanks. Megan Cassella at the White House today.